Verbal Intelligence MCQs. Question number 1. If 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 3 equals 13, 3 plus 3 equals 18. Then 4 plus 3 equals? Option A, 22. Option B, 25. Option C, 23. Option D, 16. Answer is option B, 25. Explanation. Question number 2. Pairs which is different from rest. Option A, school and students. Option B, pen and ink. Option C, garden and canteen. Option D, student and books. Answer is option C, garden and canteen. Explanation. Question number 3. Watch is to time as barometer is to. Option A, mercury. Option B, gas cylinder. Option C, pressure. Option D, temperature. Answer is option C, pressure. Explanation. Question number 4. Pairs which is different from rest. Option A, iron and nails. Option B, wood and stool. Option C, paper and books. Option D, oil and lamp. Answer is option D, oil and lamp. Explanation. Question number 5. If tour is coded as 1 2 3 4, clear is coded as 5 6 7 8 4, spare is coded as 90847, then code of sculpture is option A, 780975437, option B, 95360137, option C, 9567533867, option D, 8724688890. Answer is option B, 95360137. Explanation. Question number 6. If the word school is coded as BACM, M, and then the word BA, CH stand for. Option A, BACM, M. Option B, SM, M, AC. Option C, NM, M, B. Option D, NM, M, AC. Answer is option B, SM, M, AC. Explanation. Question number 7. Rearrange following jumbled letters to form a sensible word. MCOPTREU. Option A, CTREPUMO. Option B, COMPUTER. Option C, RETUPMOC. Option D, PUCOMTER. Answer is option B, COMPUTER means computer. Explanation. Question number 8. X and Z start walking from opposite directions. X walked 5 kilometers. And Z walked 6 kilometers. Thereafter both turned to their right and walked 2 kilometers, turned to right again and walked 3 kilometers, again. Turned to right and walked 2 kilometers. How much distance apart are they from each other? Option A, 2 kilometers. Option B, 3 kilometers. Option C, 4 kilometers. Option D, 5 kilometers. Answer is option D, 5 kilometers. Explanation. Question number 9. If the 13 multiplied by 75 equals 5,731, 27 multiplied by 34 equals 4,372 and 15 multiplied by 42 equals 2,451, then 16 multiplied by 36 equals? Option A, 5,760. Option B, 3,661. Option C, 1,636. Option D, 6,361. Answer is option D, 6,361. Explanation. Question number 10. Iran is to Tehran as Iraq is to. Option A, Rome. Option B, Baghdad. Option C, Tehran. Option D, Jakarta. Answer is option B, Baghdad. Explanation. Question number 11. Day is to night as accept is to. Option A, accept. Option B, agree. Option C, reject. Option D, accept. Answer is option C, reject. Explanation. Question number 12. Good is to bad as sharp is to. Option A, blunt. Option B, thin. Option C, fast. Option D, slow. Answer is option A, blunt. Explanation. Question number 13. Complete the series. 54, 27, 30, 15, 18, 9. Option A, 11. 7. Option B, 12. 6. Option C, 13. 8. Option D, 14. 7. Answer is option B, 12 and 6. Explanation. Question number 14. Complete the series. 4, 8, 11, 22, 25, 50. Option A, 53, 103. Option B, 54, 108. Option C, 54, 110. Option D, 53, 106. Answer is option D, 53 and 106. Explanation. Question number 15. Complete the series. 2, 6, 9, 27, 30, 90. Option A, 92. 269. Option B, 93. 279. Option C, 93. 278. Option D, 95. 289. Answer is option B 93 and 279. Explanation. Question number 16. Complete the series. 1, 8, 27. Option A, 64. 125. Option B, 63. 123. Option C, 62. 122. Option D, 65. 125. Answer is option A 64 and 125. Explanation. Question number 17. Conference, chairman, newspaper? Option A. Reporter. Option B. Distributor. Option C. Printer. Option D. Editor. Answer is option D, editor. Question number 18. Steel, train, Alnico. Option A. Aircraft. Option B. Machinery. Option C. Silver. Ware. Option D. Magnets. Answer is option D, magnets. Question number 19. What is 15% of 45% of 250? Option A, 135. Option B, 27. Option C, 140. Option D, 35. Answer is option B, 27. Explanation. Question number 20. What is 10% of 50% of half kg? Express the answer in grams. Option A, 5 grams. Option B, 15 grams. Option C, 25 grams. Option D, 35 grams. Answer is option C, 25 grams. Explanation. Thanks for watching video.